Hey everyone, welcome to my presentation. This is Rahul Preetham. My registration number is 17BEC0106. I belong to C1 slot and I am doing my COA course under Dhanabal. In this presentation, I am going to present about the floating point unit taken from IEEE journal and use those concepts in image processing unit. Now let's see about FPGA based image processing unit. We will go through the questions one by one and see the explanation for each questions. The FPGA based image processing unit's architecture is explained by computer organization and architecture. Implementation of circle detection and point counting is done by changing brightness, threshold, and contrast of a digital image, and simulated by the result with the help of the language for description of hardware. Verilog was done. Algorithm for stepwise implementation of brightness manipulation, operation threshold and contrast stretching kind of algorithms were used in the image processing unit. Now digital image processing techniques, namely grayscale conversion and color inversion, was carried out using FPGA design on RTL level abstraction by making FPGA board inbuilt PCBs and also by interfacing devices to it. Point operation was carried out using combinational circuit with switch module to select between different operations. Restriction in hardware, limited memory capacity, and less accurate information hardware to be specific brought about coarse output results. With the input being comparatively slow, input proved to be main bottleneck for achieving higher throughput. However, upon completion of data input, the processing power of FPGA was well exhibited. The design implementations for real-time applications can be done using this system. Now let's see the hardware of the system. Now this uses a FIFO partitioning with synchronized pointer comparison. Here you can see the different memory systems in this device. Given here are the runtime results for different inputs simulated in MATLAB. Here you can see the implementation of the FPGA in the form of a block diagram. The OP code is given here and the image is taken from the ports here and the output will get the output. Here you can see the transistor level block diagram for the given image processing system. This diagram is done in the EPS file format and implemented in the multisim. Now let us compare the proposed architecture with the existing image processing FPGA architecture system. First of all, it is the OSI model. The Open Systems Interconnection Model, also known as OSI model, is a conceptual model that characterizes and standardizes the communication function of a telecommunication or computing system without regard to their underlying internal structure and technology. Now let us see how asynchronous data transfer takes place. In this mode, data transfer start and stop bits bind data transfer, which is done in a predetermined baud rate. We can see how the information is transferred between the source unit and the destination unit. Now, synchronous data transfer. In this mode of data transfer, clock information is transferred between receiver and transmitter with an input controller between them to control the flow of data between the two domains. CDC. In digital electronic design, a clock domain crossing CDC or simply crossing is the transversal of a signal in a synchronous digital circuit from one clock domain into another. The next is the block RAM, also known as BRAM. In Xilinx FPGA, a block RAM is a dedicated configurable memory which is embedded in an FPGA device and is separated from the regular logic cells. Now let's see the final comparison, which is called point operation. In image processing, point operation falls under lowest level of operations, where the new value of a pixel are only determined by the original value of that pixel alone. Now let us see the advantages of proposed design over the existing model. Advantages: high performance. Taking advantage of hardware parallelism. FPGA exceed the computing power by breaking the paradigm of sequential execution. Time to market. FPGA technology offers flexibility and rapid prototyping capabilities in the face of increased time to market concerns. Cost. The non-recurring engineering expense of custom AISC design far exceeds that of FPGA-based hardware solutions. Reliability. FPGA which do not use operating systems minimize reliability concerns with true parallel execution and deterministic hardware dedicated to every task. Long-term maintenance. As a product or system matures, one can make functional enhancements without spending time redesigning hardware or modifying the board layout. Now let us see the merits and demerits of the proposed system and the existing techniques. Merits. As we studied earlier, it has long-term maintenance and the cost of manufacture is also very less, and it is more reliable because it is an FPGA based system, and it gives us high performance when compared to the existing system. Now let us see the demerits. The field of image processing, specifically steam-based computation of input pixels of an image to exploit low-level computation capability of hardware and to open gateway to more complex image processing tasks which take computationally long time to work in general purpose design. For example, we can see that stereo view reconstruction is a challenging field with umpteen applications yet to computationally expensive. FPGA can be tailored to solve that specific task with lesser computational time, thus widening its realm of usage. As such, we were deeply motivated to work in a challenging field of image processing to find possible enhancements to current approaches which are more suited for general purpose design, such that a more efficient application specific design is possible. Now let us list the application of the proposed design. An FPGA field programmable gate array is a reprogrammable chip which contains hundreds of thousands of logic gates that internally connects together to build digital circuitry. FPGA global applications by industry sector are gravitational wave detection. Now we use this FPGA model in the LIGO observatory, which is used to detect gravitational waves. Now these gravitational waves need very sensitive equipment for their detection. This LIGO observatory discovered a black hole gravitational wave emission in the year 2015. In that we used FPGA model. And we also use the FPGA in satellites. Many of the satellites that have been launched have FPGA models. SpaceX Falcon 8 rocket, defense electronics, and telecom products. In these fields also we use FPGA. Now this is the flowchart or algorithm for the transistor level circuit proposed in the design. Here we have an input file and also the list of processes that need to be executed by our CPU. You can go through the diagram. And this is the block diagram of the FPGA system we proposed in this assignment. Thank you for listening to my presentation.